Welcome to Section 4 of our LinkedIn Marketing 3.0 video training. Additional tips to consider. In this section, we'll talk about do's and don'ts, premium tools and services to consider, shocking case studies, and frequently asked questions. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. Do's and don'ts. As with any business venture that you decide to partake in, LinkedIn marketing and doing business on LinkedIn has its recommended practices and its things to avoid. Most marketers have to learn all of them the hard way, through trial and error. But we have created this video so you can get it right from the get-go. Do's. Do keep your profiles and company pages professional. Remember that both are crucial because they are designed to foster a community around your business, your products, and your services. And they're also the very first thing that people will find when they are looking for your brand. Do optimize your company pages for search engines. The company pages not only have to be tidy and professional looking, they also have to be functional. So remember to use your targeted keywords in the About section of your page, as this section is indexed by search engines. Do participate on LinkedIn groups and discussions. This will not only help you to engage with your audience, but it will also help you to learn what is being said about your brand, your niche, your products, services, and about your competition. Do make use of rich media to share your content. Professionals not only love it when relevant content is served through videos, presentations, and well-crafted articles, it also helps them to perceive the messenger as an authority in the subject matter. So make sure to create relevant content that is well presented. Do vary the type of content that you share with your business audience. People can easily gravitate towards other companies if you only talk about your business. So consider sharing other types of relevant content, such as industry news and links to other pages. Do keep your business invitation well thought out and professional. Nothing puts a prospective connection off like a dry invitational message. Forget about using the template invitation, and instead take your time and personalize the invitations that you send to professionals that you look forward to making your connections with on the platform. Do cross-promote through your LinkedIn profiles and company pages. There is a reason why the About section is in there, so you can easily share your up-to-date company links with the people that are most likely to click there. Do follow any other company in your industry with a LinkedIn profile or page. Remember that on LinkedIn, these other pages are not necessarily your competition, but potential prospects as well. Keeping up to date with other companies is a great way to know whom to collaborate with when the time comes. Do request other companies to link up with their current employees. This will not only increase your brand visibility, but it will also allow you to increase your business connections, which will in turn increase your opportunities of keeping up with future talent prospects. Do stay connected on a much more personal level by using the Relationships tab, which will allow you to set up personalized communications with your prospects. Remember that people are prone to become company champions when they receive personalized communication with a brand, which means that they will market your brand to others. Don'ts. Don't focus your LinkedIn marketing efforts on selling. Ever. LinkedIn is a platform where people go to establish professional connections, and any sales approach will immediately put them off. If you want to sell on LinkedIn, focus on offering value first. Don't join just any LinkedIn group just because you can. Doing this will not only detract your time and effort from where they should be focused on, it will also make your company look like a scam. Focus instead only on groups that are specific to your industry. Don't forget to be proactive. What happens after you join a group on LinkedIn? You become an authority, that's what. But you have to put in the effort by participating constantly in a natural way. This will do wonders for your marketing efforts, because people will gravitate to your brand thanks to its vocal, interactive nature. Don't forget about the human factor. A lot of companies fail miserably at communication because they forget to give a human touch to their online presence. Your interactions, your posts, your responses, and your participation have to feel like a real human is doing it. So remember to be natural and friendly. Don't be too complex. Many businesses confuse being smart with being complicated, and they end up populating the marketing materials with long, overtly scripted, and full of company jargon copy. Instead, focus on being concise and to the point. People will appreciate it. Don't forget about tracking your marketing performance. There is data out there that will easily tell you when you're doing well and when you need to improve. Stuff such as leads generated, successful connections, and strategic partnerships are great indicators of efficient LinkedIn marketing efforts. Don't spam on LinkedIn. Now, you might be used to the casual promotional sales message on other social networks, but even the smallest hint of a sale is considered spam on LinkedIn. Remember that here, you need to communicate that you care about people more than your product, not the other way around. Don't let your profiles and company pages sit still. Groups are not the only way to stay active, as profiles and company pages are excellent marketing tools, as long as you only use them to give relevant advice that can lead to a sale later on. Don't use LinkedIn to criticize other products or competing companies. Doing so simply looks unprofessional. On the other hand, mentioning bigger companies in a positive light can direct quality traffic from their pages to yours. Don't forget about nurturing your communications by always checking and replying to messages and comments left by LinkedIn members on your company pages. This seemingly simple action can be more effective than paid advertising in some instances.